Hello everyone. So now practice number 2.6. So in this one, it's gonna be like we're using a push button, but it's gonna be like a sort of switch. Okay? It's really easy, like everything. So basically, so first we okay, sorry. So you get the positive side to the pins, right? Okay, so what you have to do is like, look, check it. Just like, and when you click the button, like when you have the button pressed, it changes. Yeah, it's like, oh, how does that work? Well, you see, you connect the things, like you define the things, these things to the negative, like always, the resistances to the negative side. And the negative side goes to the ground, and if on the positive side, we get all the volts. And since the button's the one getting the volts, well, he needs the resistance. So you put the resistance, and on the same side, which is the positive side because it's where he's getting the volts, you define him as, well, I defined him as the 7, and the same thing he does in the practice because I'm too lazy, but you could define him as whatever the hell you wanted. Okay, so basically, so yeah, and then, okay, you also have to connect the button to the negative thing too. Like everything has to be connected in some way to a positive and to a negative thing, except for the defining things over here. Okay, so basically, here we got it in real life, okay? So basically, you can see that it's the same. Like, okay, we've got the button, this positive side goes to the positive side, and this goes to the volts, and to the volts, which is the 5 volts, which is the white thing, and then the yellow thing, the cable thing, goes to the negative thing, and you can see that the resistances of the LEDs are connected to the negative thing. And yeah, pretty cool. And the thing is, okay, this is how it works, right? So I have it press and it changes. How do we do that? How did I program that? Super easy. So like first we have to define everything like always. So I put this pin, I put the yellow one in 11, and I put the green one in 12 because why not? And of course, you have to say that the button is the input thing, right? Because it's like the input. And okay. So if you're saying, so like if the button, which is 7, so like you're saying if the button is activated, so it's high, if the button is activated, you have to activate the green one and then turn off the yellow one. And if the button is not activated, then the green one has to be off and the yellow one has to be on. And like this delay is just for like the program to like work a bit better, you know. But you can see it's like 10 milliseconds. Like what is that? 0.01 seconds. That practically does not exist. So yeah, this is what you get. It's pretty fun. It's really satisfying too.